In this video, you'll learn how to create a carousel on Webflow, allowing you to display multiple images in a sliding format. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a functional carousel integrated into your design. Begin by navigating to the Webflow website. You can access Webflow directly through your browser. Once there, you should see the main interface with various options for your projects. Ensure you are logged into your account to proceed with creating a new project or opening an existing one. Next, locate the Elements panel on the left side of the screen. This panel contains various components you can add to your Webflow project. Click on the Elements tab to display the available components. You will notice a list of elements that you can use to build your layout. After that, type the word slider into the search bar at the top of the Elements panel. This action filters the elements to show only those related to sliders. You should see the slider option appear among the results, indicating that you can now add a slider to your project. Once you find the slider component, click on it to add it to your canvas. The slider will appear in your project workspace. This is where you can customize and add images to your carousel. Make sure the slider is selected, as this will allow you to modify its properties. Now click on the Assets tab, which is typically found in the left sidebar. This section is where all your uploaded images and media files are stored. If you have not uploaded any images yet, you will need to do so by clicking the Upload button to add images from your computer wheel. Next, drag an image from the Assets panel into the slider on your canvas. You can click and hold the desired image, then move it to the slider area. When you release the mouse button, the image should snap into place within the slider, confirming that it has been added successfully. After you have added the first image, repeat the previous step by clicking on another image in the Assets panel and dragging it to the slider. Ensure that each image is placed correctly, as this will define the sequence in which they appear in the carousel. Then click on the second page of the slider. This page is typically designated for additional slides. You can add more images by dragging them into this area as well, ensuring your carousel has multiple images to showcase. Finally, drag a third image into the slider, following the same process as before. This will complete your carousel setup. Ensure that all images are correctly positioned within the slider to maintain a smooth transition effect when the carousel is in use. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.